Welcome to another programming workout. So we will do 3 of those. That's the plan. Let's go. Alrighty, 8% we have, okay. All right. Okay. So we did this stuff, and now we are doing what? Progress. We are doing sending email. No, we are not doing sending email. We are not sending email. We are doing whatever, but not sending email. We are doing multi-threading. Okay, so, but I did all of it here already, I think. So here is our multi-threading, and I did create it, the thread by two ways. There are two ways. Either you will implement a runnable interface on your object, and then you well, of course, you will implement the run method of that. And then here's the weird part, and that is that you will have to create a new thread, and you will use one of its constructors. There's a constructor which will take a runnable reference, and then the name of the thread. So it looks something like, let me see where it is. So I think it's somewhere, yeah. So it looks like, so first, second. Okay, so here I'm creating the thread, right? But if we have a look what I wrote here, actually, this is not a thread. This is a runnable implementation, right? And what I did here in the start method is, if I don't have an instance of a thread here is a property of this object, I will create it. Then I will feed in this instance, that means the runnable reference, and I will feed it the name, which is a string, and then I will call a start method on that thing. But I wonder, what if I say screw that, and I will not follow the tutorial, and I will try to run the run method right away? Can I do that? That is the question. So let's have a look. Here I will create another. Okay, so first of all, to differentiate between those, so I have a my extended thread and my thread. So to make distinction between those, I will call one my extended because it extends the thread object, and this will be my implemented thread. Because it implements the runnable. Makes sense? I hope it does. So we have that. Now what we will do? We will create an we will create an instance of that. So should do like this. 14 go. 14 go. And here I will try to run the run method of that directly, which I will be not able to do because, well, I will be, because I will not call the start method of that. Or can I even run the runnable thing of that? That is the question. So first of all, we will, just for the fun, I will create a new, oops, insert, and I will create a new, my implemented thread, and this will be test thread, will be the name of that, and we will extract it to a nice constant variable. Oh well, it's not like it's following the standards or conventions or the naming conventions in Java, but fuck that. I will try to do test thread dot run and see what it does. All right, so let's run it. And what do we see? So we should see if it works. We should see test thread and some numbers, but and we see that there's 1, 0, 1. Hey, Truguloma, it works. It works. Let's see. I did run it directly, and it runs with other. So I have a first, I have second, I have extended 1, and I have an extended 2, right? And so now I have all 5. What do you mean, but not on another thread? I have 5 of them, like all of those. So is this extended 1, extended 2. We have a test thread, and the first and second. Yes, I am running. Oh, okay, so so you're saying that I'm using currently the main thread. Okay. So the thread current thread get name. Okay. So I will do that, and I will do that only here at the exiting. So I will do exiting, and here we will say thread. Come on, unfreeze. Okay, good. Thread dot undo insert current thread dot get name. Okay, so we have that, and I will do that in the other implementation. Oh, I did it on my implemented one. Okay, so cool. So I'll run that, and let's see. So I'm exiting main, I'm exiting second, and I'm exiting first. Okay, and I'll try to do. Oh, I see. So I'm running that on the main. Huh. That's good to know. That's well, thank you very much. So if I would be foolish enough to copy this and paste it somewhere in here and do test thread 1 and here test thread 1, and I run it again, okay, so it's test thread is exiting main, and we have a test thread 2, test thread 3, but I have only one of... Oh, because I did not start it. Here we go, so now I run it again. Also, I don't need all of those, so we will do one here, and we will do one here. Okay, I run it again. So, and we have first starting, second starting, running, test thread is running, extended is running, extended is running. Okay. And we have test thread 1. But now I wonder if that waits. Yeah, so the test thread, the previous, is in the main. Yeah, so it does it, and it waits for it to end, and then start the test thread 1. Oh, very good point. Very good point. So it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Nice. So if we say screw it, I don't call the start method. It will not call the instance of it. What if I have another implementation and I don't invoke the run method, but I do invoke the start method? What will happen then? So for this I need another implementation, or I can just here not execute. I will create a new one. I'll collapse this, this. So we will have a insert class my I don't know what, Trugomo thread, and we will have a, what do I want? I will implement the runnable and runnable. Yeah, you got it. You are now responsible for this. Implement methods, the run method, yes please, and we will just we will say here we will wait for something, so we say thread.sleep, and we will sleep 2 seconds should be enough, and we need to surround it by try catch. I know. Alright, now we'll leave it as it is. And what I will try to do is, well, I think I want constructor, so I can print out the given name. So I say, what do I say? First of all, I will have a string name like that. Now I will generate a constructor with this field. Very good. And then in here we'll print out we'll just this dot name class is running like so, and I should not need anything else except here I want to print out the thing which you showed me, which is the insert, and this will be this name plus, just for fun, and plus, come on, plus, here we go, and that will be thread dot current thread dot get name. Here we go, and that should be it. So now I will do 2 instances, run them, and I will run them using the start method of this, right? So what will happen? I don't know. Tutorial said that I should create a instance of thread and pass in the runnable, right? So let's ignore it and see what the consequences are. Oh, so I have new. Oh, I see what's in there. I want this to be uppercase. For this time, we will do honor the Java conventions. So through Gomo 1, this will be one of them. Yep, and then we will create the second one. I will kill the alarm. Here we go. And we will replace this for 2, and this we will also replace for. Oh, come on! No! Undo. This work? Oh, it works. Cool. So we'll go 2, and then we won't start them both. Through lemma 2 dot. Ha. Aha. Now I know why you have to create an instance of the thread, because the interface doesn't have a start method. That's in the thread. So let's see what the thread is doing in there then. So where's thread? So I don't know where's thread. Where's thread? Okay. Thread. Oh, come on. How do I ignore case? Vim search ignore case. H and I. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work. So you can use the C escape anywhere in the pattern. Okay. So we'll do that, and that will be this red C. Next. I don't know. I don't like the Vim searching thingy. I don't think I like it. How do I here? Okay, so I go here, and we will have a look at start. Okay, maybe that will be fun. master in here, and we will have a start. Okay. Why is it so big? Okay. Start, and it's not invoked for the main method thread system. Blah blah blah. Okay, thread status. Then notify the group that this thread is about to be started. Okay. Then started. There's a call to a method which is called start0. And start0 just starts run. That's all. No, it doesn't. Oh, it's native. Okay, so who knows what it does? It does something. Okay, so we just have to call it this thing. I will not know what start do because it is native code. Too bad. Oh, come on. Multi-threading. We are okay. So we learned something today. So we are done with the threads for the time being, and we will continue on to the next section, which is app. I'm not doing applets. I'm sorry, I'm not doing applets. No one uses that. No one uses that. I'm not using applets. I'm not doing it. No. Nah. No, not in a million. Nah. No. I'm sorry. No. We will be not friends. This is no. So, but I wanted to put in here anyway. Come on, applets are fun. Package, and this will be 37 applets, and right here I will do class applet. Applets, and here in the main method we will express our feelings. I'm not doing this shit. Yeah. Thank you very much. Here we go. That's the right thing. Okay. So, and if we, oh fuck, I did run the wrong method. You see, it works perfectly. So that is to the applet, and what do we have next? It is document. Oh, we did use it already. Well, I can go through and see if there's something new, which I don't know, but I think that will be straightforward. So those are applets. You know what? I will be so nice and will do commit. So authors applets multi-threading and sending email. So complete. Okay, commit. Bye bye. Okay. What do we? Documentation comments. Okay. Okay, so we do that, and it will be 38, and you, sir, you are in the way. I don't see anything. So that will be package, and we will say 38, and that was commenting or something like that, right? Documentation comments. Okay, I don't even read. So it is 38 documentation comments. Here we go. So this package, and this will be run 01, and here we will trace comments. Here we go, and we are over the time limit, which means we are done with this round. Done is better than perfect, and we will move to the other round.